Step into the transformative world of Deepak Memory Coach in collaboration with Cambridge School. Here we believe every student can tap into their mind's full potential and elevate their learning journey. Memory training is essential for students. It sharpens focus, boosts retention, and speeds up learning. By mastering effective memory techniques, students can recall information with ease, excel in exams, and build confidence in their academic pursuits. In this engaging training session, students will discover how to cultivate photographic memory, memorize extensive lists and formulas, and even overcome their fear of public speaking. Our interactive sessions cater to various learning styles, ensuring that every student thrives. Thank you for Cambridge for being a part of this journey. Watch our video to see the magic in action. Deepak Memory Coach is open to offering his services to schools and colleges to empower more students. Deepak Coach also provide comprehensive memory material and fun assignments to ace their exams.